Wakacom Night News Recap. Now wetin dey hot for Nigeria today, 25 Feb 2026. Police Service Commission don yarn say recruitment go clean, no more anyhow things again. National Assembly dey chase Tinubu, make him release proper funds for Information Ministry. Nigeria join 106 other countries for UN say make peace for Ukraine matter. Thugs shoot as them attack Peter Obi for Edo. Democracy dey face wahala. FG file fresh 12-count charge against Osimhen and co-defendant for court.
The most valuable company on NGX now with 11.2 billion in worth.
NGX market just dey jollof. Stocks don run gain load. Investors happy scatter. Nigeria insurance sector dey grow steady. Assets don dey high as market dey strong. CBN cut interest rates small. Economists dey shock say e no drop reach how dem expect. Nigeria and EU dey run Science and Innovation Day for Lagos. Brain and tech hustle dey come. World Bank wan give Nigeria $500 million loan for agriculture.
Farmers dey shout prayer.
Gunmen don kill people for Plateau State. Tensions high. Security people dey rush.
Victor Osimhen dey happy for Turkey even though salary gives the float.
Nigeria don wake futsal again as National League kick off proper for Kaduna. Young tennis star Amasiani Chukwuemeka say ITF J30 tour na big progress for Nigeria. Organizers talk say next Niger Delta games go wide reach, 21 sports go day. Worldwide, T20 World Cup dey sweet as fans dey enjoy big hits and tight matches. Cinema crowd still the best head as new Nollywood films dey trend. Ayra Starr don tease new music with purple swag. Streets the bars say new era don land. Wizkid don clinch platinum certification for France. Afrobeats Global still dey shine.
Tiwa Savage launched Music Foundation with Berklee College. She dey build future stars.
Spotify report say Naija music streams don grow triple digits. Afrobeats just dey blow. Ray Modi tell everybody say na music you wan do now, no be acting again. Na Pidgin Vibez news be this, and we dey always come correct. Na the Coco gist for we Nigeria today. Make una no dull.